Armour B-Wax. Want Armour B. Buzz, buzz, because that's all we do. Oh, goes! And he's coming in and shoots and he scores. Okay, there's what eat them. Jump, jump. Jump, jump. Jump, jump. Just don't get it.
I'm going to explain it. You got to focus on the puck, okay? Because right now you're doing the goalie moves, but the most important thing is tracking that puck, getting aggressive and making that puck yours. All right?
Okay.
You're doing good. Just get aggressive and start focusing. Okay? It's only 2-1. Your team's in it, and this is where you have to kind of hold your fort.
Get hyped up and come on.
Get in this game.
Dig deep!
Yeah, I can see that you're a little tired, but you need to break through that and get into the game, okay? Be a difference maker. Be a difference maker, okay?
Oh, rebound out! Shoots again! Goal! Yeah! Wow, that was awesome. So shot, and then score.